Hi, I'm Leon Bowers and I'm the National GIS Manager for Acciona Construction. We construct some of Australia's largest infrastructure projects, including rail, tunnels, solar farms, wind farms, airports. I've been in this role for the last 10 years and we've been an Aerometrics MetroMap customer for at least 5. We're keen to work with Aerometrics so that they can understand what we need for construction. I see MetroMap supporting our future projects, particularly in the tender phase, where we're going into areas that we don't have a drone capture program and we need to understand the context of the land so that we can effectively price the job. One way that we like to work with Aerometrics is to provide them a forecast of where we're going to be working so that they can adequately plan some of their flights so that we have imagery ready for the project. One of the innovations we're currently working on is getting GIS into CarPlay and Android Auto so that our engineers and construction personnel driving around in utes are able to see high resolution imagery with our design, including changes, as they drive a construction site. During the tender phase, we use aerial imagery, particularly MetroMap imagery, to understand some of the constraints that we might be working in, where flying drones has just not been possible. Aerial imagery plays a crucial part of that so that we can see the progress of our construction. If we're unable to get access to imagery, it really affects the people working on the construction site. They need the context from the office to understand what's happening out in the field. Some of our construction goes for hundreds of kilometres, so having a complete overview is very important when drones can only provide a small location. We will often use MetroMap as a base map that is overlaid with drone captures. When I walk around the office, it's common to see our GIS on many screens, and they're the screens of people from multiple disciplines: environment, geotech, property. One of the benefits of providing GIS to construction is keeping people off the roads, stopping them having to go out to site, providing that situational awareness back in the office. Consistency in project delivery is very important, and one of our major challenges is integrating multiple systems. We use GIS to do that, and what we're experts at is taking data such as MetroMap data, not only using it in GIS, but pushing it out through scheduling, planning, safety apps as well. The accuracy is so good. We've had a good relationship with Aerometrics over the last 5 years, and part of that is their understanding of our business and then listening to what we need out of a product, whether it be imagery captures or functions in the MetroMap product itself. We use a lot of Esri GIS products, that's what our platform is built on, and MetroMap integrates very well with that, particularly the new image dedicated service which we subscribe to, enabling us to look at time-enabled imagery in native Esri apps. We've previously used imagery products where people come back to us and tell us that our survey is wrong. With MetroMap, we haven't had that problem, and what's important to us is consistency, it's accuracy. Everyone uses GIS for a different purpose, and I'm proud to be able to provide technology that enables them to do their job more efficiently.